Yes, I've been saying that Faith needs to leave. Ayikho indaba yakhe noKhulubuse and being second wife, because this toxic environment, umandaba neingane zakhe, very, very toxic. They will push and push her to a place where she shows her true colors. Tell me why Usabelo went and fired gunshots at Faith noKhulubuse when they were going, I think they were going to the mall. Wathenga ama-gunshots. uKhulubuse had to protect Faith. Angasese-shaken uFaith. And this boy, Usabelo, admits kumawake ukuthi he's the one that did it. He did it for her. He did it for umawake because he wants Faith to leave. Whereas this boy is not hiding what he wants Faith gone, and he's going to do anything to make sure that she leaves. Even after Faith stood up for him when uBabake Khulubuse wanted to ukumxosha, and Faith spoke up for him and told Khulubuse to let him stay angamxoshi after he attacked Khulubuse emagqekeni wakhe wamshaya, knowing exactly ukuthi akusiyona ingane kaKhulubuse, ingane kamamkhulu. Faith realized ukuthi lo mfana uyanginyanya lo, uyangizonda ngempela, and there's nothing I can do about it. You can see just the way he looks at me. Faith was shaken after the ordeal, gunshots. It's just so hard to see Faith shaken like this and crying, because knowing the Faith that we all know, Faith, this is not Faith. I think she's going to show her true color soon, because if they push her to that limit, I'm telling you, indaba yakhe yo second wife won't happen, because uKhulubuse will see the real Faith. Manje uNkosi did well by questioning ukuthi uFaith urighting, because now umsizi now went to look for her, and says he did promise uKhulubuse ukuthi you better look after my sister or else I'm going to kill you. So manje na ngumlandile he has to answer to Msizi, because Msizi does not play with his sister. Naye girlfriend ka Mulife, as I judged this lady too early. I thought that after finding out that Umulife is not the big shot businessman that he was like saying out to be, I thought to go to uzomshiya and say, "Guti, I can't do this." But girl wanted them to start afresh on a clean slate. But girl realized, "Guti, man, when you're not over your marriage, you're not over your ex. Umlife going on about you. I found out wana suwaka blah blah blah." But girl is like, I don't think you're over your marriage when you're not ready for a relationship. So Umlife is running all these things by himself. Now, how Isaac is into deep nalaba ababoraya Ezekiel Nukata. They're just messing things up for him, just to push him to a level where they can, like, I don't know, manipulate him or turn the community against him. And it seems to be working. Kata is into deep, and it seems like now he's like he joined a cult, because this is so sad. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.